and keep it for others, and there will be problems for the Bulldozers. This is the most important over coming up, the penultimate over. And he goes up in the air. There's no fielder out there in third man. Oh, he does well and saves 2 runs. Magnificent effort there at the third man region.
This is unbelievable work by the fielder who was stationed at short third. The ball went above him. He had to run back. Look at the commitment and the effort put in. Right there, he drags the ball back and he falls over the boundary line. But that's good work and good relay throw in the end by Shiva. So they're safe 2 at least.
Wow, that is exhilarating stuff. Commitment at its very best. Oh, he connects, but this time it's straight to the deep mid-wicket fielder, who does no mistake, gets the ball back in time. It's only 1 run. And that's 50 for Karthik. And look at the focus. He's not even bothered of applauding all the 50. Doesn't even know about it. He's so focused on winning the game for the side. Oh, that's a good ball.
This could be anyone's game.
This is turning out to be an amazing match. It's Arya, the bowler, bowls a slower delivery, goes for the big one throw. He misses it completely. They need a boundary in this over. They cannot leave too many runs to get to the last over. This is such a crucial one, the penultimate over of this game, this T20 battle, this T20 final match. Arya once again. What's going on in the mind of the throw? Where will he go? Offside, onside? He goes straight. Has he connected? There is a catch. Oh, it's been dropped again. It is Prithvi was standing at long off and he has dropped a sitter. So again they survive. Luck is definitely on the side of the Bulldozers today.
It's all happening tonight.
Well, he goes up in the air again. It was straight in and straight out. Well, that's pressure for you. Was strange reactions from Chennai dugout. They thought he had taken that catch, but that's a wide ball. Follows it up with a wide ball. Now that's not good bowling. Neither it is good fielding from Chennai Rhinos. They won't be happy with the effort, but still they are in the hunt.
Levin needed from 8 deliveries. They need 1 big hit. They need a 6 or a boundary. Goes big, doesn't connect well. There's a chance of a run out. Not at all. They manage a single. The Rhinos, they're still in the hunt.
Can you believe that after that really bad fielding effort, they still are in the hunt? Just deflected off Karthik. That's all a part and parcel of the game. Got to carry on. The captain's not watching.
It's a big ground. It's not easy to clear. Very good delivery to finish off this over. Only 7 of that over. 10 needed from 6 balls. What a humdinger this is turning out to be. 152 for 3.